Okay, hello there again. Okay, this has got to be the coolest thing I have had. Well, I've had this for a long time. Now it's an IBM Correcting Selectric II typewriter. Now this has got to be a very successful machine. I got a piece of typing paper here. I'm gonna show a little video of this machine in action. Get the paper in a roller. It's hard to do with one hand. Oh well, it's in there anyway. But this is a really cool machine. I've had some pretty cool things before, but this has got to hit the 100% mark. Okay, the ball rotates to another side for capitals. He rests his fists against I just corrected a mistake right there. Well, it wasn't even typing anything because the ribbon's been disengaged. Okay. Okay. He thrusts his fists against the post and still insists he sees the ghosts. Well, I can type faster than that, but it's hard to do with just one hand. Now, my mama bought me this machine off of eBay for $129.99. This is actually a commercial Selectric. Heavy duty. Well, not heavy duty, but made for commercial uses like businesses and all that. But it's a really clean machine. Had a couple of problems. The carriage would not move past this point. Well, because the other plates started getting curled up from the heat. But I took that out and it works just fine. Now, this little shaft down in here is what controls the motion, and little cords, not sure if you can see them, they control this ball. The top for tilt, the bottom for rotate. You can figure that out from another user. I believe his name was Engineer Guy. But this is a really cool machine. If you do not like very old things, then that's fine. I'm not judging you. But this is like a 60s machine. I like old things like that, but if you don't think that I'm cool for that, then you don't have to. But if it makes you feel any better, I do like newer stuff too, as well as old. Old things are just more interesting. But I have some old things. I have a old toy, the Wheelo. I'm gonna do a video of that later, along with another Eureka. It's a little Eureka the Boss. But this is a really cool machine right here. Not sure when this one was made, but it's the 60s, more than likely.